Hello! Today we're looking at the White Feather Lark ILF riser. Now, as with the previous video, I haven't shot this one yet, so this is really just an unboxing and showing you what it looks like. I cannot yet tell you how it handles. Cover box, tools. Comes in this pouch which just barely fits it. Now I have the large 23-inch version, which I can barely get into full view here. It's massive. Just handling this, you get the feel, this is a good chunk of equipment. The overall finish is super smooth. There's again nothing, you can't feel anything just running your finger over this. It's perfectly smooth. But yeah, carbon plate on front here. Little bit of a nick here on the coin insert, but nothing too bad. Grip feels excellent. Here's the ILF fittings. Now, these are a bit, I guess you could call them shrouded here, which I like a lot because it makes the bowl a bit more, fluid, and doesn't look like the limbs just stick out and are bolted on there, and you get a little more towards look of elegance. And as you might know from the single piece bow, I like that a lot. Back side here, and a little closer. This is really, really well done. See, there's two pieces of wood that are joined here, but the seam is just perfect. This looks like maybe there was a crack in the wood that might have been filled in, I don't know, because you can't feel any of it going over. It's just the black piece is micarta, and you can see it's difficult to get it to show up at all on video. But there's some very subtle layering that you can see in these areas here. Yeah, but from any reasonable distance, it just looks like this perfect matte black. All right, and that's it. I'm very happy with it, and I can't wait to shoot it. Thanks for watching.